So to get started, you have to launch your Binance app, and if you don't have a Binance account, check the link above to watch a step-by-step tutorial on how to create and verify your Binance account. And I will also add the link to the description below. So to buy and sell crypto on Binance, you have to add your account, that is your bank account, because this is where you receive payment when you sell cryptocurrency on this app. So to do that, you have to go to settings, then to payment method. Proceed to P2P payment method. Add a new payment method. You can select from the listed payment method. As you can see, they have Access Bank on this list, they have EcoBank, they have First Bank, and few other banks. If you check the list and you can find your bank, you can proceed to all payment method, then search for your preferred payment method. And for me, I'm going to search for OPay. Then I'm going to enter my account number. As you can see, my name is already on this platform because I've verified my account on Binance, so I don't need to enter my name again. All I have to do is to supply an account number that is registered with this exact name, because Binance is very strict with third-party payments. That means they do not allow people to transact with other people's accounts. You confirm. So now that we've successfully added the payment method to our Binance app, we can now start buying, selling cryptocurrency to make money on a daily basis.